Whoa, did I just catch you looking at my cans? We got the new ICT Billet catch cans here. We're gonna open them up and see what's all in store. Some nice clamps, petcock to drain it, air vent. Looks like we've got a single -12. Pretty sweet. I like that silver engraved on the black. Nice and cool. So right here we have the internal baffling. It will keep all the moisture down to the bottom of the catch can and allow just the air to get sucked out from the motor to the actual catch can. Ought to go good with the coupe. It's a 93 Fox body. Got a Pro Charge LSX in it, Turbo 400, stock suspension car. A lot of ICT stuff on this car. Thank you guys. Here we have our -12 catch can. You got your -12 inlet, your drain, and then your vent right here on the top. Before assembling, you need to get your petcock and your thread tape. Put some thread tape on it, screw it into the bottom, get it nice and tight. From there, take your vent, slide your clamp over it, slide it on top of the catch can. Get a bad shot. Okay. And from there you have your clamp. You're going to have to do some sort of mounting solution. Mounting it on the firewall, put it up there, scribe it, drill your holes, you'll nut and bolt it. Slide the catch can and the clamp over, tighten it down. All right guys, we're going to roll this thing out, take the front end off of it, and get them put on. So here we're installing our -12 catch can. My vehicle has dual -12s, one on each side. They offer these in -10 as well, fit any application you need. So we just got our driver's side installed. We're going to go ahead and install the passenger side over here. With these on with ICT Billet, I know for sure I'm not going to get oil all over my car. With the internal baffling, we'll be good to go. Get one today at ictbillet.com.
Thanks for hanging out with us on this project. Look, I get it, this part's kind of annoying, but smashing the like button, subscribing, and hitting the bell really helps us out. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on what's coming next. Stay tuned for more awesome projects.